Ryan and Olivia meet for the first time at a public library. They start talking about how often they visit, what they like to read, and why they enjoy reading in the library instead of at home.
Hi there. I see you're here at the library often. Do you come here regularly?
Hi. Yes, I come here about 3 times a week. I love reading in this library.
How about you?
Same here. I try to come twice a week, usually in the afternoon after work.
That's nice. What time do you usually arrive?
I usually get here around 4 p.m., and I stay for about 2 hours. You?
I like coming in the morning around 10 a.m. and I stay until noon. I enjoy the quiet mornings here.
Yeah, the library is so peaceful. It helps me focus. Do you read for work or just for fun?
Mostly for fun. I love reading novels and biographies. What about you?
I like history books and science fiction. I also read some self-help books now and then.
That's interesting. Why do you prefer reading here at the library instead of at home?
Well, at home I get too distracted. The TV, my phone, but here, it's quiet and there's no noise. I can focus better.
I feel the same way. At home, I always find something else to do. But here, I can sit and read without interruptions.
Exactly. Some people say that reading in libraries isn't common anymore, but I think it's a great habit.
Yes. I think many people just read on their phones now, but I still enjoy the feeling of holding a real book.
Me too. I like the smell of books and the quiet atmosphere. It makes reading more special.
I agree. And the library has so many books to choose from. I never get bored.
That's true. Do you usually borrow books from here or just read them in the library?
I do both. Sometimes I borrow them if I don't finish. But I try to read as much as I can while I'm here.
Same here. It's also a great place to relax and take a break from a busy day.
Yes, and I like seeing other people reading too. It's a nice community feeling.
Definitely. Well, it was nice meeting you, Olivia. Maybe we'll see each other here again.
I'm sure we will, Ryan. Enjoy your reading.
You too.